Hello! It's a lot of sunshine today and we start our program number 2 and it's about computer exercises. Everybody work with the computer and you already maybe see our exercise set number 1. Today we go to exercise set number 2 and it will be much more. So, knock your hands together, make it warm. Place it to your face, here, neck, breast, to your tummy, and then to your knees, and then 3 times shake the hands. Again. We repeat the same. Face, here, neck, breast, tummy, your knee, and then 3 times shake the hands. And then 3rd time. Do the same with a smile, with very good mood. So your face, your hair, your neck, your breast, your tummy, and 3 times shake. Very, very good. So we start our exercises a little bit. Just shake the hands. Very good. And big smile on your lips. And then you just a little bit massage your smiling points. Very good. And then we repeat a little bit from the last program. It's we start with our shoulder. So front, up, back, down. Front, up, back, down. Front, up, back, down. And then we change the direction. So we go from back, up, front, down, back, up, front, down, back, up, front, down. And then we just squeeze the body, tense all of your shoulder close to your ear, and then release. Again, release. Insert that, release. Very good. Today we do very special breathing exercises, which is clean our brain. Wow, it's very, very important. When you work and concentrate, sometimes brain should be a little bit refreshed. So with 2 fingers we put this in our ear and start to pump a little bit like this. And then we produce some sounds. I usually produce sounds but if it's loud in your office you can say a little bit with a closed mouth. Very important, this sound. Why sound important? Because it's resonate in your brain, just refreshing, and all of these thoughts which is circulating in our brain should be broken down and disappear. So you put your fingers in the ears, not so deep, a little bit, and start to pump, and then make the sound. Okay, so maybe you feel some strange things happens with you, but it's your brain now start to work in different way. It's very good, very refreshing way, very good way, very creative way for you. So next things what we are doing, we are repeating a little bit from the last time. We make the cat. So I put this in my profile. You can see my little bit better. Inhale, round your spine. Exhale. Just go a little bit down and look towards the ceiling again. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Again. Okay, very good. 3-4 times. Then we do the same for our neck, what we did last time. We just start to, I do this in profile again, then you can see a little bit more. We start to going up and a little bit in front and back, front and backward. So the front and breathing, it's not important here, it's just movement. Yeah. So next what we are doing, we are circulate all of the heads. The putting is down, then to the right, backwards, to the left and down again, and we change the circle in another direction. It makes this very easy. So you more you are relaxed, you better results. You should be not tense, but remember that you have limitation and respect your limitation. So if you can't do like this, do a little bit, it should not harm you. So that is why it's your responsibility, and make yourself comfortable. So next we are doing we change from one to another, change one to another, change one to another. Very good exercises to the elbow. Or again, one to another. Then both, 1, 2, 3. Try to stay relaxed. 4, 5. Very good. And then up, down, up, 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 up. And then we do the same. Up, 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 up. Very good. So next, just relax a little bit. It was a little bit, of course, some challenges. So what we're doing, we put our palms in the knee, and then right shoulder is going down to the right hand. So down and up again. Then left, down, and we just touch this, up again. Down, up again. Down, up again. Down, up again. Down, up again. And last time. Down, up, and down, up. Very good. Very good. Feel that you feel already maybe refreshed, but it's last challenge. Last challenge. We take our hands in the back and rotate this. I can do this very high, of course, but it's not necessary for you. Just make this comfortable. Make the lock with your hands and start to make this movement like a wings. So in front it looks like this. Like this. Very good. Very good. So it's refresh your hands also and put in the place your back. So we are about ready. So our 5 minutes it's over. I hope you receive a lot of fresh energy, and I see you in our next program number 3. It will be more challenges, and it will be new exercises. Have a very nice and very productive day in your office. Irina Bjorna, your personal coach for lifestyle and creator of Bell Books. Bell Books, books for easy living. Easy living for you and easy living for our planet. I wish you the best in your life.